One of the more innovative Shark vacuums right now is the Shark IONFlex 2X with its flexible wand that makes it easier to clean under furniture without breaking your back. The IONFlex also has DuoClean to make cleaning less of a chore. So the question is, the IONFlex 2X a worthy alternative to the Dyson V8? Shark IONFlex 2X. One of the best features, in my opinion, is DuoClean technology. For those who aren't familiar with it, DuoClean is a combination of a soft roller and a traditional bristle brush. It's a technology that I believe is the future of hard floor cleaning. DuoClean will clean dirt regardless of size, from tiny dust to extra large stuff like Fruit Loops and cereal. This is possible because it has loads of clearance up front. On the sides and behind the brush roll are seals that funnel dirt toward a chamber. It's also no slash on carpets, as the stiff bristles behind the soft roller will provide enough agitation. The DuoClean brushes on a Shark won't clean embedded dirt as well as its direct drive counterpart. But you don't need to change tools on every transition regularly. It's good enough to clean rugs, carpet, and hard floors well enough. Dyson V8 Absolute. The Dyson V8 is perhaps one of the most popular Dyson cordless vacuums thanks to its blend of power and compactness. It's the first Dyson to have a hygienic bin emptying system that makes it easier to dispose of dirt. This cordless cleaner weighs just 5.8 pounds, almost 2 pounds lighter than the IONFlex, and is one of the best in their product line when it comes to ergonomics. In handheld mode, the compact body makes it easy to clean areas high up. The V8 isn't the latest Dyson cordless vacuum, but the lightweight body is highly maneuverable. Differences between the Shark IONFlex and Dyson V8. Dirt capacity. Despite being the bigger vacuum, the Shark IONFlex has a relatively small 0.28-liter bin versus the 0.54-liter capacity of the Dyson V8. Battery life. The IONFlex will run for up to 24 minutes on low power and 9 minutes on high power with the main cleaning head attached, while the Dyson V8 will run for up to 42 minutes and 9 minutes on max with the primary brush roll connected. Take note that if you get the 2X version, which comes with 2 ion batteries, the run time will double. Floor cleaning nozzle. The Dyson V8 Absolute comes with 2 floor tools: the direct drive that is excellent on carpets, and a soft roller head that excels on hard surfaces. Shark uses the DuoClean head that works on both surfaces. Warranty. All Dyson cordless vacuums come with a 2-year warranty. Shark backs their stick vacuums with a 5-year warranty. Filtration. The Shark IONFlex does not have a fully sealed system, which means fine dust particles can seep through the exhaust. Only the Shark ION50 has a fully sealed system. The Dyson V8 has a fully sealed system with a post-motor HEPA filter. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.